In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for My Pillow. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, on your mobile device or PC or laptop, open up any web browser, head on over to Google and then type in the search bar here, promo codes My Pillow. Once you've done that, you'll be brought to a whole list of results inside Google. So you got the big third-party websites here like RealTimeMeNot, Coupons.com, Coupon Follow, Groupon, Join Honey, Simply Codes, We Thrift It. So you can go to any of these websites to check out their codes inside there because they've got more. So if we click on We Thrift It for a demonstration, you can see there's all these different promo codes you can activate. So for demonstration here, you can even click on Show History. So you can see added 2 days ago by Nick via social media. And yeah, you can do that for all these codes on this website, which is quite cool. And then to activate, simply click on copy code and then go ahead to My Pillow at the checkout section of your order to paste the code in to get the $200 off that order. So at the checkout section on My Pillow, look for somewhere that says enter promo or discount code and just place that code in there to activate it as well.